have puppies everywhere. This little black girl, this is the black puppy from Sophia's litter. She's being played with by the liver tan girl from Sable's litter. This is Ellie and Pippin from Mira's litter. There's Tegan playing with the chocolate puppy from Sophia's litter. Pippin is bound and determined that she is going to get some snack from Mum. And there's Murphy, another Mira puppy. And they are outside playing in the kennel and a little bit of the yard area. Here's Tegan. There's Rose, little black girl from Sophia, and Pippin, and Ellie, and there's Sandy, and Cooper, big black and white puppy. That's not a puppy, that's Cooper. He's one of our studs. Shelby, what are you doing? And there's Abby. Her puppies are not even a week old. They're very little, and they're not out playing because they're too little. Mira. And there's Sophia. Do you have a toy, Sophia? Do you have a toy? Where's your toy? Where's your toy? You gonna get it? Get the toy, Sophia. Oh, puppies have it now. Are you gonna get it? Oh, there you go. You got the toy. What a good girl. Yep. Good girl. You got the toy. What a good puppy. There's Sandy. There's Cooper. Murphy trying to nurse off Cooper doesn't work real well. That's a bad idea. Oh, Mira, your puppies are getting too old to nurse. Yep. Little chocolate girl from Sophia's litter playing with the chocolate tan girl from... Hey, you're playing too rough. You're playing too rough. This is Sandy. Playing chocolate girl from Sophia. Chocolate tan girl from Sable. This one is chewing on my boot is 8.5 weeks, and that one is 4.5 weeks. Hey, quit picking on the babies. No, they're little. You gotta give them space. Hello, pups. Craziness. There's Ellie. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come on, let's go. There's Murphy, Sandy, Ellie, Pippin, Abby. Go. Don't let them nurse off you, baby. Yeah, don't let them nurse off you. Hey, pups. Come on. That girl, Rose. Come on. Let's go inside. That's it. Come on. Sophia puppies, this is actually their first time outside. They're doing great. They're doing great. Come on, babies. Come. Hey, Pippin. Oh, yes. You're playing and running. Oh, good puppies. Where'd you go? Hey? Hey, pups. Pippin's having food. Oh, Cooper. Good boy. Hey, Sophia. Hey, Murphy. And Ellie. Found the food and the toys. Come on, babies. There's Sophia's chocolate girl. Yeah, there they are. Sophia's two puppies. Mira's like, I'm not too sure about you. Oh, and Tegan, you just run them right over, don't you? Nice. You're supposed to treat the babies nicely. Come on, pups. Don't complain about the cold and the new stuff. Just figure it out. Sophia, go outside. No, you're not going to go outside? Oh, outside that way. That's cheating. Murphy's trying to clean Sandy, and Sandy's trying to play with Tegan. Rosie! Rosie Rose, Rosie Rose. Hello, Rosie. Good girl. That's a good girl, Rosie. Hi, Murphy. Hey, Tegan. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hello, hello. How are you? What a good girl you are. Hi. I hear another little one. Hey, Coco. How you doing? How you doing, hey? It's hard to see your face. It's so dark. Your face is so dark. Yes. It's a good girl. Oh, you're trying to play, Sophia? You trying to play? You want to play with your puppies, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Hey, Pippin. Pippin, Pippin. Bup, 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 bup. Pippin, hey. Hi, baby. Oh, yes. I know. Licky, licky, lick the face. Lick the hands. Yes. Good puppies. Oh, happy girls. Happy girls. Yes. Good puppies. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Go find a toy to play with. Look. Here. There's one. Get it, get it. Oh, Sophia's got it. She stole it.